According to latest reports, around 52,000 Palestinians have been killed as martyrs and over 123,000 wounded since October 2023, a toll that rises daily and a direct result of pursuing the declared policy of dehumanization by the Israeli occupying regime. These are not mere numbers. They represent innocent children, women, the elderly, and families. An entire nation under siege, being systematically decimated. As these proceedings unfold, OCHA reports that no aid has entered Gaza since 2nd of March. Medical supplies are rapidly depleting, including critical stocks for maternal and child health, as the number of aid workers killed since October 2023 has reached 412. Meanwhile,